This lecture is going to explain how JBE works. JBE means jump below or equal to. It is when the carry flag is set or the zero flag is set. A typical use of JBE is in comparing. Compare. Take for example this code. If you were to set E3 into EX and move 3 into ECX and you compare, EX will be equal to ECX. In that case, the zero flag will be set because 3 minus 3 will be 0. CMP EX ECX means that you are taking EX minus ECX, so the result will be 0. So because the result of the comparison is 0, you get Z zero flag being set to 1. So if that's the case, then JBE will execute jump below or equal, and it will go to label 1 and then will perform all the code here. On the other hand, if your EX is 2, then in this case, when you are comparing EX and ECX, EX will be less than ECX. So EX minus ECX will give you a carry. Because you need to carry, your carry flag will be set. So because the carry flag is set, it means that EX is less than ECX. Therefore, JBE will be executed. Again, you jump to label 1 and execute this. Now, if this EX is 4, then in this case, when you compare EX and ECX, you take EX minus ECX, you get a number which is bigger than 0. So because the number is not 0, the carry flag, the zero flag will not be set, and the carry flag will also not be set. So because both will not be set, when you come to JBE, JBE will not execute. So it will go on to jump label 2. So it will go to label 2 and execute this part. So that is how JBE works and the meaning of JBE. And JA and JE are just the reverse of JB and JBE. That's all. Thank you for watching.